In this video, I'm going to share how personal injury law firms can dramatically increase their conversions. Now, the way we do this is, let's say you're running ads to a lead form or a web form, and this is a mock one here that I'm sharing with you, but an AI voice agent that knows everything about your firm will call that agent within seconds, and I'm going to show you how powerful this is to get more conversions. So here we go. I'm going to press please call me. Again, this is a mock form, and I'm pretending I just had a motorcycle accident, for example, and I need a lawyer. Here we go. 1001, 1002, 1003. So about 3 to 4 seconds. Now again, this is if I saw an ad, I fill out a form, and I want help from a lawyer, an attorney, because I was just in a motorcycle accident. Here we go, showtime. Hello?
Hi, may I speak with Brian, please?
Speaking.
Hi, Brian. This is Kathy calling from Nagel Firm. I'm an AI assistant, and if it's okay with you, I'm going to ask you a few questions about the form you filled out online before booking your free consultation with one of our experienced attorneys. So, how can I help you today?
Yeah, so I was involved in a motorcycle accident about a week ago, and I'm looking for an attorney.
Thank you for sharing that, Brian. I'm really sorry to hear about your accident. And by the way, this call is being recorded for quality assurance. Would you like to schedule an appointment, or would you like to know more about our services?
Yeah, maybe you could tell me a little bit more about your services, please.
Absolutely, Brian. We help people who've been injured in accidents, like motorcycle, car, or truck accidents, by connecting them with experienced personal injury attorneys. Our team can guide you through the legal process, help with insurance claims, and work to get you the compensation you deserve for things like medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Would you like to schedule an appointment for a free consultation to discuss your situation in more detail?
Maybe you could tell me about what happens if you don't win the case, or what happens when you win the case. How does that all look?
Great question, Brian. If we take on your case and don't win, you don't owe us anything. There's no fee unless we recover compensation for you. If we do win your case, our fee is a percentage of the settlement or award, which we'll explain clearly before you sign anything. That way, you don't have to worry about upfront costs or hourly rates. Would you like to schedule a free consultation to go over your specific situation and get all your questions answered by an attorney?
Yes, I would.
Great. Do you have a preferred day or time for your free consultation?
Do you have anything available tomorrow morning?
Let me check for available times tomorrow morning for your free consultation. We have openings tomorrow from 9 to 10 a.m. and again from 11 to 12. Which time works better for you?
11 works.
You're booked in for tomorrow at 11 a.m. I'll text what to expect on your call with our attorney. Just sent. Did you receive it? You'll also receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks and take care.
Okay, thank you. So you can see this is just a demo, by the way, so it's not going to be perfect. When we go into production, we are very careful about all these different things, but you can see how the appointment went right into my calendar. It's the same thing is going to happen on the leads end. I got an email. I got a calendar invite. I also get a text message as well. But I want to share, we're very big on data. So we have a dashboard that has all the recordings, the transcripts, so you can listen to all that if you want to. There's also a performance summary. This is just a demo, by the way. But total leads, the total calls, answered calls, connection rate, booking, all that stuff we have into a dashboard so you can access all that information. And just at a high level, how does this all look? The key about with AI voice agents, because they don't sound perfectly human. We all know that. But the lead believes that they will be speaking with a person if they answer these questions. Now, we're not lying to them, but we are saying, listen, we saw you fill out this form. Is it okay with you if I ask you some questions so I can transfer you to the right person, or I can connect you with the right person? If they want to talk to someone, they just say, transfer me or human, and it will transfer during normal business hours. Otherwise, it books the call as a meeting, as I just shared with you. A big thing about this too is you can reduce the number of fields on the form, which creates less friction, which means more leads, because the AI agent will qualify the lead on the call. The lead can also receive a text message right on the call. So, for example, a payment. In this case, information about your offer, how great you guys are, case studies, anything that you can send to them that's going to get them excited to not only show up for that consultation, but want to work with you so you can have a higher conversion rate when you're working with these leads. This could be for inbound or outbound. It's 24/7. So if a lead comes in at 3 o'clock in the morning on a Friday night, it'll still do the exact same thing. The voice could be male or female. It calls a lead within seconds, as you guys have seen. An event is created instantly. The voice agent books a lead, can also update your CRM, contact information, call recording, transcript, a summary of what was said so that you know what's happening. If the lead does not book, the voice agent can call back right away and also the next day. There's the different workflows that we can create. Now, again, this is just a demo. This is not the final product by any means. There's a lot of testing that has to be done. We have to go through different scenarios. We have to go through pronunciation. There's a bunch of different things that we have to do, and that takes a good couple of weeks, sometimes a week, but usually about 1 to 2 weeks. If the lead wants to speak to someone on your team and do a live transfer, it'll do that, and the AI voice agent will tell that salesperson information on the call about what's going on. So, for example, it might say, "Hey, John, I have Brian on the line here. He was in a motorcycle accident last week, and he's looking for an attorney." So there's continuity with the conversation. Last but not least, we can put a voice widget on your website or landing page, and this also helps with conversion. We could talk more about at another time. So anyway, thank you so much. I look forward to speaking with you.